Getting all your to-dos done in a timely manner can be a challenge, and it's even more complicated if the information on what needs to be done isn't available to you when you go to complete the task. Meet John, who uses tasks for a simpler, more connected, and faster way to manage his daily workload. Clicking on the Tasks icon on the bottom menu, John first checks out tasks assigned to him that have been marked important, and reads notes and instructions from his manager on what he needs to get done. While working on his first task, John adds a photo and annotates it to show the end result, and then changes the status to complete. When he's done, he can check the tasks for his whole team and spend any extra time helping his team with their open tasks. Tasks makes it easier to manage and prioritize what John needs to do, so he can not only keep up, but get ahead.